Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayinitemi. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to sew this beautiful handkerchief pant. If this is your first time ever seeing my channel, thank you so much for being here. I really so much appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe. In my last tutorial, we went about the cutting of this pants. If you're here to see that, please check our channel and let's get started into this video. To get started, you can say I have gone ahead to sew the two pockets to the two sides of the pant, and you join together the two sides together like this, the way you just see me doing in this video. Just join it together. I will drop a tutorial on how to add pocket to a dress in my next video, so just join it together the way you see me doing in this video. The next thing to do is to join the extra fabric to the down part of this pants. Just see the way I will start from the crouch part of the pants for you to get the accurate joining. So you get, make sure you sew to the fore part of the pants, and after joining, this is what you should have. Can you see? So I am gonna use to join it to join the fore part together. So the next thing to do is to sew your crouch area. So this is me sewing it, and make sure you open this place to avoid that place being bulky. So it's the most you open it, please. So the next thing to do is to join the two legs of the pants together. You can start sewing from the middle, and you can also start sewing from end to end. So make sure you open this part too. Open it to avoid being bulky. Just open it like so and sew it straight down. You can stop stitch on it the way you just see me doing mine. You can stop stitch on it like so. Yeah, I have gone ahead to pin down the second layer of this pant to it. So here is me sewing it. Just pin the second layer. The second layer is like a skirt, so it's not a pants. So just join it the way you see me doing in this video. Just join it like this. This is what you should have after joining the second layer to it. Then this is me just testing it if everything is well aligned. So can we see? So the next thing is to take your band. So measure exactly what you have in your waist circumference. So measure exactly and cut it out. So when you want to join your band, if you want to put rope inside, just sew 1 inches, like sew 1 inches upward like this, and leave like 1 to ½ inch, and sew it the way you just see me doing. And for your elastic, measure, like, let's assume your waist is 30, so remove 4, so you will have 26. Then you just stop stitch on the band like just the way you see me doing in this video. So the next thing is to just put your elastic inside. So in my next tutorial, I'm going to be dropping how to sew an elastic waistband. I think this video is not complete. Maybe I did not film it when I was filming. So here is the final look of the elastic without stop stitching. So here is me adding the elastic waistband to our pants. So I was adding the elastic waistband to our pants in this video. Just do your own the way you see me doing. Just sew it round, and after that you stop stitch on it. So here is me stop stitching our elastic. And when you are sewing on the elastic, make sure you stretch it very well to avoid too tight. Do you understand? So I was stop stitching on it, and after that, I was done. I wanted to show you how I put the rope, but my tripod stand got broken. So I was trying to fold the down part of the pants, and we're almost done with the pants. Here I was folding the down part of the pants in this video. Just fold it with 1 or 2 inches, depend on the allowance you put into it. You can fold it with 2 inches, you can fold it with ½ inch, you can just fold it just very, very small. So I was folding my own with just 1 inches. So I was folding it. I just make sure you fold everything very neatly. This will be the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much everybody for watching. I really appreciate. And if you are here to subscribe, please subscribe. And if you are here to see the cutting part of this tutorial, please check my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everybody. I really appreciate. Thank you. And if you need any tutorial, please just drop anything that you want me to do the tutorial on, and I will be so glad to drop it. Thank you all. Bye.